Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a complete tour of the impressive Sahara Poer Z, a compact off-road motorhome that combines rugged capability with premium living comfort. Despite its compact size, this RV is packed with modern features designed for year-round adventures. Let's begin our walkthrough. Starting from the outside, the Sahara Poer Z features a bold alcove design built on a capable 4x4 pickup chassis. The raised ground clearance, rugged body styling, and compact dimensions make it ideal for exploring destinations where traditional motorhomes simply can't go. The integrated entrance step makes getting inside easy, while the overall construction feels solid and ready for demanding off-road travel. Stepping into the cockpit, you're welcomed by a modern automotive interior. A large infotainment touchscreen sits in the center, accompanied by a fully digital instrument cluster and a multifunction steering wheel. The layout is clean, practical, and very similar to a premium SUV, making long-distance driving both comfortable and enjoyable. Moving into the living area, the first thing you'll notice is the spacious Overcab sleeping section. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, while side windows provide additional ventilation. Individual reading lamps, charging ports, and convenient storage shelves are positioned within easy reach. Soft padded wall panels create a cozy atmosphere, making this sleeping area feel much larger than expected. One of the most unique features is the built-in projector system. A ceiling-mounted projection screen works together with an integrated projector, transforming the front sleeping area into a private home theater where you can relax and enjoy movies after a long day of travel. Looking upward, the ceiling features a powered roof ventilation fan that provides excellent airflow throughout the cabin. Integrated LED lighting around the vent keeps the interior bright while maintaining a modern appearance. The fan can quickly remove heat and humidity, making the living space comfortable in every season. Storage has been carefully designed throughout the motorhome. Large overhead cabinets offer generous space for clothes, food supplies, and travel essentials. Their clean finish blends perfectly with the modern wood accents, creating a premium interior feel. Mounted above the living area is a roof-mounted air conditioner that keeps the cabin cool during hot summer trips. Its compact design integrates neatly into the ceiling without reducing headroom. The rear seating area is bright, spacious, and perfect for relaxing. Large windows allow plenty of daylight inside, while blackout blinds and mosquito screens provide privacy and comfort whenever needed. Comfortable cushions make this an ideal space for dining, reading, or simply enjoying the view. The dinette includes a sturdy dining table surrounded by comfortable seating. Whether you're enjoying breakfast, working on a laptop, or spending time with family, this area offers excellent versatility. Nearby power outlets allow convenient charging of phones, tablets, and other devices. Overall, the Sahara Poer Z delivers an impressive balance between compact dimensions and premium comfort. With a spacious overcab bed, modern kitchen, practical bathroom, projector entertainment system, washing machine, roof air conditioner, and plenty of storage, it's designed to make off-grid travel comfortable in every season. Whether you're exploring mountain trails, camping by the coast, or embarking on long-distance adventures, this motorhome offers everything you need in a surprisingly compact package. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more motorhome reviews and RV adventures. We'll see you in the next video.